Standard & Poor's downgrade on the outlook of US debt last month caused markets to fall around the world. No surprise really with that. S&P's President Deven Sharma says that the decision was based on the ability of the US to pay back what it owes. He spoke to Phillip Yin at the ADB conference in Hanoi and told him this.
I did know it a little bit before it gets published because it's an important action, like I would for many other actions before it's published. But the process of, they're making a decision, engaging with the entities in Washington, that is a process that the analytical team drives. And we give them the independence to really drive that, and that is sort of very important to us, and we really very strongly respect that.
This was a major announcement. By any chance, did the Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner call you? Did Ben Bernanke call you? Did the President call you?
The interesting thing about this is we've been writing about this for about 3 years. And in fact, if you look at it, we first sort of talked about it 3 years ago, then we talked about it last year, again we talked about it in early February. And so this has been, and that sort of speaks to the process that we have, which is we engage, we highlight, we publish to the marketplace saying, hey, here's what we expect, here's what we're seeing. So the marketplace starts to recognize what are the issues that we see. So when really the action happens, it is less of a surprise to most players. Naturally, it is an event still because people pay attention to it.
But you must have thought about the political implications.
Actually, candidly, not at all, because at the end of the day, we have a very clear focus and with what our purpose and role is, which is to serve the investors with the best information we have. Remember, sovereign debt is a big asset class. And at the end of the day, what we do is rate the commercial debt that the investors invest in. And if our focus is that we must be sort of as transparent, as insightful about telling the investors about that. So that's what we focus on, and nothing else we worry about.